guys, it's ASBYT and welcome back to a brand new video. Now today we have the Xiaomi Mi Pad 4 on here. I unboxed it and reviewed it a few days ago, and in that video I showed the Google Play Store, but what I'll do is I'll condense it into this small video for you. So if you just need to find out how to install all of the Google services, etc. onto your Mi Pad 4, you can do it just watching this video. So let's get straight to it. Right, so in order to download the Google Play Store and all of that sort of stuff, first of all, what you want to do is you want to go to your inbuilt internet browser here. Up the top, you've got a search bar, and you want to type in en.miui.com, just like that one there. And then when it loads up, it'll say learn more or go to forum. What you want to do is you want to go to forum, and you want to create an account. It's dead easy, just an email. So we're going to click on sign in for now because it'll prompt me to create an account. So we create an account down there, and then so country region, I've got United Kingdom, you can put wherever you're from, and then an email address here. So this is just creating your Mi account that I mentioned when I loaded up the tablet. So I'm just going to type in my email address here and create Mi account, and then I'm going to enter a password. Then I'm going to enter the code that it says here. Then I'm going to click on submit. Then one last step to activate your account, go to your email address, then click on the link to activate it. So you'll get this email here, and then you simply just click on activate account. Right, so now we've got the Mi account, we can go back to the start. So back to the website that I suggested, which was of course en.miui.com. and you want to go to the forum. Then you want to click on sign in, and this is where you put your email address and then your password again, and then click on sign in. Then you create a nickname, then I'll click on activate. Hello ASBYT, your account's been activated. Now we want to click on this search section up here, and we want to type in Google Installer. And it will load up with this page here, and you want to click on this one here, MIUI Resources Team, Google Installer version 2. So we click on that, and then we get this page here. And what you want to do is you want to download this APK. And it says you've got to reply to this thread here, just say thanks or whatever to the actual creator of the app. So please reply. We'll click on that. I'll just put thanks. Then I'll click submit reply. It says posted the reply, and then now you can actually download the APK. As you can see here, Google Installer APK. If we click on that, you want to then click on OK. And then you get the unknown apps message pop up that you get when you download any Android APK on an Android device. Click on settings. Click allow from this source, then click back, and then as you can see here, Google Installer, install, and then open. And then as you can see here, we now have Google Installer, and you click on install, the big blue button there, and it will now install onto this tablet Google Services Framework, Google Account Management, Google Play Services, and of course the Play Store is at the bottom there. And then you just get left with the Google Play button there. And as you can see, it will now load up with the general Google sign in for your email address. And then as you can see there, we are good to go. So we've got the Play Store here, which we can click on, and then you can download any Android app that you want from the Play Store. So the first one I'm going to download is the Google keyboard, because obviously it's using the Chinese keyboard at this moment in time. I'm going to install that. Then you want to open the app and enable in settings. So now we have obviously the Chinese one here and the Google one here. So we want to click on that and click on OK. Same again here. And now the keyboard here is the Google keyboard. So it is in English. It is very, very easy to use. And now you're pretty much all set. So you can download things like YouTube, for example. As you can see, we have the Google Play Store now on there. We have the Google keyboard available to use. And of course, you can then download any app from the Google Play Store that you want. So that's pretty much it. Let me know in the comment section below what you think about the Xiaomi Mi Pad 4. Like and share if you did enjoy this video and found it helpful. Subscribe and hit that little notification bell if you're new to the channel and want to be notified every time I post a video. I love you and leave you. I'll see you in the next one. ASBYT. Peace out.